Good morning. My name is David, and today I will be giving a brief introduction about how to use online search engine, but more specifically today I will be talking about a meta search engine. Essentially what this is it utilizes third-party databases in order to produce results of its own. Some examples are Dogpile, which I'll be talking about today, as well as Blingo and Yippee. So yeah, let's jump into it. Dogpile is the one I'm going to be talking about, like I said, today, and the reason why this was the one that I chose is because of its interface, the background, as well as its pull towards dog owners. As you can see there on the screen, which is what I'm pointing to, is the dog house, as well as, let me try and move my face out the way, the dog in the background. And you can see up here that there's different sub searches for images, videos, news, shopping, and my favorite is the clicker button, which says go fetch. So let's do a simple search using some of the tools that we learned in our assignment. We're going to try and search for caterpillar minus cat minus what was another one? Sorry. Minus ink. And we're gonna go fetch. And the reason why you use the minus is so that you don't look into the companies such as the construction company CAT, as well as the incorporated. And as you can see on the top, that here's the company, here's other stuff that you're not really looking for. We're looking for the insect caterpillar, which is going to be towards the bottom. So here's what we're looking for: caterpillar facts for kids, crafts, a specific type of caterpillar. But as you can see, it's more specific towards just the insect, and you have little advertisements for the equipment. But what this does is it refines your search to exactly what you're looking for. So you put in the keyword or the topic that you're looking for, and you use the minus sign, CAT, which is the construction company, as well as the incorporated. And that is how you do a simple search through a meta search. And we could even look through the different categories. Here's some images, and as you can see, it's just the insect caterpillar that is showing up. Nothing about the company, nothing about construction, nothing about equipment. Nope. And that actually brought us to another image. Okay, let's look at the videos. Tutorials about how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Yoga for some reason. Oh, the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, which is actually a very good elementary book. News. Let's see if there's any news. A woman's caterpillar cyst ooze out like hand soap as Dr. Pimple Popper gets squeezing. We will not click on that, but that sounds intense. Okay. And shopping, we'll see what shopping does, but I'm assuming it wouldn't be anything too much. Yeah, cool. So nothing shopping for caterpillar insects. So thank you for listening. This was a short instructional video about how to do a precise search through a meta search engine, as well as utilizing a tool such as the minus sign to make your search more specific. Have a good day. Bye.